All right, so now you're just gonna line this up, place it down in. Once you got it down inside, apply pressure. Just like this. As you guys can see, we just cut this piece off. So guys, as a demonstration, we got our saran wrap here. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off, get it ready. All right, so we go ahead and we get this ready. Now we're gonna pinch down in here, pull this out. All right, so now that we have it out like that, we can go ahead and place this down in. So what you do with these, there's a groove on both sides. What you're gonna wanna do is take this sticky piece off right here and then stick that down in like this. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now you're just gonna line this up, place it down in. Once you got it down inside, apply pressure. And now you're good for cutting and you're ready to go. Just like this. As you guys can see, we just cut this piece off. Just like that. And now it's on here. You guys see, ready for the next time. So we just, next time we need a piece, we pull this up. Slide it over. And we got another piece. It's that simple. And of course it is a two-side, so you can put something else on the one side if you'd like, and then cut it that way as well. And of course this slides back on. It was a little tough at first. It's probably because, you know, it's new. Once you get used to it, it should be easier to put on and off. Yeah, they're sliding much easier now. So you guys can see, it was just that first initial opening. Overall, guys, I like this. It's a great 2-pack and it's gonna do the job really well. So guys, just to show you, we added the other one and cut off just like that. So now we got 2 rolls in there, lasts a long time. And that's with the decals on.